Evening, everyone. I'm Andy Chan. So it's so great to have this opportunity to share some of our technologies and related to building services here. Here you can see the main theme here. It's a new era of mobility to improve transportation in multi-direction. You can see the capital letter of multi is in fact a product, a name of a product. So it will be exciting to let you know a little bit more of that. So in fact, we provide valuable service to our business partners, and in the end, contribute to build, as the main theme here tonight, to build a smart city. So our multi, in fact, is one of the contributors to the smart city developments. So in fact, with the increasing urbanization today, building a construct to be higher in rise and operations are much complex. This is one of the characteristics of a smart city. We, thyssenkrupp Elevator, contribute to build a smart city by introducing a revolutionary transportation system that brings in a new era of mobility, and it improves transportation in multi-direction. Just a little background of thyssenkrupp. thyssenkrupp Elevator belongs to the parent company of thyssenkrupp Group, based in Germany. We have already 200 years of history, and currently we are operating in 80 countries with more than 150,000 employees. Our corporation has 5 business areas, as you can see here. We start with steel manufacturing, and which is one of the famous part in Germany. Our component technology produces bearings and parts for vehicle and wind turbine. Our industrial solution build machines and submarines. Our material services handle supplies for aerospace. And the areas that I'm responsible for is elevator technology. So as you can see here, for sure, you are one of the passengers that we serve every day with our elevator technology. That includes elevator, escalator, horizontal moving walks, and maybe airway bridge, as you can see the third part of it, and platform lift as well. So although our corporation has a long history, we are pretty young in Hong Kong, in our Hong Kong operation. We just celebrate, just a couple of weeks ago, our 15th anniversaries in Hong Kong. And right now, we have close to 350 staff. So getting back to my professional discipline, the elevators. We are proud to introduce you our multi, which is a unique and total different concept of vertical transportation. We, as a passengers, when we press the call button as you normally did, in the lift lobby, and elevators will come and bring you to whatever destination you want to go. And the elevators normally runs in a lift shaft, which is a single lift shaft, construct vertically in a building. So our R&D, this elevators, our R&D challenged this norm by questioning whether we can put in 2 elevators in a shaft. So there comes a trend that we developed tracing back to 15, 20 years ago. Later on, we challenged ourselves of whether we can put in multi-elevators in a shaft. There comes our multi. And let's see how it works.
1854, the birth of the elevator. This invention changed the way we live. One cabin in one shaft on one rope, traveling up and down. A principle that hasn't changed for 160 years. 2003, the twin elevator changed the industry. 2 cabins, independently in one shaft. In the future, more and more people will live in megacities. Today, building development is constrained by the forms of mobility available. A revolution is required. We started to reinvent the elevator concept. What if we were to omit the rope and have a direct drive as part of the elevator cabin? What if we were to provide more than 2 cabins in one shaft and let them circulate in a building? What if we were to invent a groundbreaking system enabling the cabin to move not only vertically but also horizontally? No more limits in height, shape, and mobility. There are multiple possibilities. And that's why we call it multi.
As an engineer, we're always excited to have new technologies launched in the market. Simply speaking, our multi is a metro system. Instead of running horizontally, it runs vertically in building as well. So as you can see from the video, the multi-car cabin operates vertically and horizontally in a building. One of the technology that breaks through is to have a switcher which can turn the lift in 90 degrees. And that allows the car cabin to turn. So I have the foreign quotation, I have the foreign quotation from our head of research, Professor Marcus Jeter. Buildings are becoming like vertical cities, and they need a flexible transport system similar to a metro. So speed alone does not solve the challenges posed by tall building, but multi is therefore a good solution for these challenges. To conclude, elevator technology starts with conventional type of single elevator, single shaft, and evolved into 2 elevators in a single shaft. Both are available to help improve transportation efficiency. Tomorrow, so to say, our multi that allows multiple elevators to be operated in a lift shaft is definitely the engineering breakthrough that can build a smart city that we all together can enjoy a better living. Thank you.